You know how to do this problem? How would you do this problem? When you see, okay, so we have this general rules, right? You need to remember these general rules. When you have atoms of elements in the same group, in general, there are exceptions, the size goes up, increasing size as you go from top to bottom, increasing atomic number, yes? You're in the same group. If you are in the same period, right, from left to right, the size becomes smaller in the main group element. When you have two elements, that one is in one group, and of course in one period, and the other one, these two elements are not in the same group, they are not in the same period. They are different group, different periods, right? You can find out which is bigger than the other by making that square thing, right? If the line is going like this, A larger than B, B larger than C, A larger than C, right? If the line between the two elements is like this, like that, the slope is negative, right? You cannot do it. Okay, these are the rules about neutral atoms, right? If they're in the same group, same period, if they're both of them same different period group, then you can do it if the elements are this way, but not when they're that way. Now, when you have ions, there is rules again there. The cations are always smaller than the neutral atoms. The anions are always larger than the neutral atoms, yes? And you see problems like this, they do not necessarily have to have all of them ions. Some of them could be neutral atoms. It really doesn't matter. They can be neutral atoms, cations, or anions. It doesn't matter. You get suspicious when you see a lot of chemical species like that, and it tells you about size. Most likely they are isoelectronic. So look, are these ions isoelectronic? Do they have the same number of electrons around the nuclei? Let's see. Potassium plus 1. Potassium is how much? 19. Plus 1 is 18, right? So it goes backwards, it goes to argon, right? The same number of electrons like argon, yes? Then you have what? You have phosphorus 3 minus, phosphide, right? The phosphorus is how much? 15. You put 3 more, you go to the same electron configuration. What? Argon. Can you see it?